Hey guys, it's me again, and today we are finally doing my slime video. I'm sorry it took me so long. I had my assessment day today, so I'm going to play with my slime. I did actually open it up, so it is a little bit mixed up now, like it's more mixed up, like in the colors. Sorry, I have the hiccups. And yeah. We're going to be playing with our slime. So let me get this stuff up. So this is the slime. It used to be just purple and blue, but it's actually just purple-ish blue now because I mixed it up. So yeah, let me get all the stuff out onto the table and let's do this. Alright, so let's get this out. Hello, Nimi. Hello, Llama. So, like, this is, like, so satisfying to play with. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So, basically I'm just gonna play with the slime and tell you why I ordered it. And also how I ordered it. I forced my mom to. Well, I didn't exactly force her to. I just kind of asked her to order it, and she said, well, let's find some slime that suits us. So then we looked up online. I went on this laptop, and she went on her phone. And on her phone, she found the perfect thing. She found this slime, and it was so good. It was actually supposed to be pink, but I turned it to purple because I want to respect my mom, because pink is my favorite color, but I made it purple for my mom. Didn't I, Mom? She nodded and said yes. So I'm actually going to take just a bit out, and then I'm going to, like, fidget around with it. Oh, this is going to be so satisfying. This is like an ASMR, but there's no noise to it. Like, yes. Oh, you guys are probably like, let me touch it. Where did you get this online? Or not, I don't know. Whenever I watch slime videos, I'm always like, oh, I wish I had that slime. Like, I wanted to just go through the screen like, and then just get it, and then just get the stuff, like just get the slime. I would pay I would literally pay money to just touch it for 2 seconds. Like, I would pay like $2 for 2 seconds, and yeah, it would be like so much fun to me, because like there's the slime that I see them play with is like so cool. It's nothing like this. It's like clear slime. It's like really pokey slime. This slime is really pokey too, but like I love it when they just like bring it up and then like they make it like so big. So I'll see you guys again I'll see you guys in just a sec when it's like super puffed up. I'll see you guys in just a minute. Okay, so my slime doesn't really puff up, but it's like light purple now, and then look at the comparison. Look at that. Like, that's light purple. This is pure darkness. Now let's mix it together, and let's make it even bigger. For some reason, when you do it enough, it like just breaks apart. Like, yeah! It just like breaks apart, and I don't really like that. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a lot of like foamy stuff on the table. It's also like right under here, and it's just gross. So, also, I don't know if you knew this, but we got a new table. I don't think I introduced this on the channel yet, but we got a new table, and it's just gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yep, it's quite gorgeous. I know it's a Sniper Wolf. She's my second favorite, but also my favorite. But I like a lot more viewers, but I like a lot more people. Like Azzy, Landing, Gloom, and Sluggo, and Crainer, and Jelly. make it longer than the screen. And yes! We did it! We did it! We did it! Yeah! Look at how long I can stretch this slime. I love it. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mother.
You're welcome.
Whoa, my cats are having a fight out over there. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Bonjour. Bonjour. Bonjour versus bonjour. I think I'll go with bonjour. Bonjour is how some people say bonjour in French. In France. Some people that don't know their their stuff. English. Oh no! Oh my gosh. Oh, I almost dropped it several times. I almost dropped it like, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my gosh, I actually almost dropped it. Because I was being too steely. Okay, let's move on to a new piece. Yeah, yeah, boy, boo boo. Yeah, yeah, boy, moo boo. I am boy, moo boo. My mom's playing Red Dead Redemption 2. Had to scratch my head.
Hi, miss.
Boom.
Hello there.
Wait, imagine if the whole... Wait, are you... Rob the place. Rob it. Rob it. Rob it. So I'm talking to my mom about robbing a train on a game, so... yeah. No, rob it! Rob the place. Wait, you should run after it. Like, as soon as it leaves, it'll be like, bye, and then you start running after it, and then you rob the place. Would that be cool, Mom?
Would it be cool?
Yeah. Yeah! Okay, let me get some more stuff. There we go. It's so pretty. I will just eat it. I touched my lips. Ew. Okay, I'm never gonna do that again. Ow! I almost broke my knuckle. Ow! Oh, I thought I would make a bubble, like in the other slime videos. Easy come, easy go, little lie, in the window, doesn't even matter to me. Show must go on! Bone jaw. Mommy. I'm Michael Myers.
Do you know who Michael Myers is?
Yes.
Who is it?
It's a creepy guy. Do you know who he is? Wait, could you tell me? I know that he's a man with a knife. I just don't know what kind of man with a knife he is. What is he? You said you know what he was! Is he real? Oh gosh. Maybe I should be Michael Myers' boyfriend for Halloween. I mean girlfriend. I didn't mean to say boyfriend. My mom says it's just like.
I has a confused.
I can fuzzle my mind. I can fuzzle my mom's mind. That was very aggressive of me. The whole thing. You wanna ride a boat, mister? He just asked if you wanted to ride a boat and then you shot him! Why?
The nursery bird.
Oh. Sorry. I thought they were good people. Easy come, easy go, little in the window, to me. Bum 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 sympathy and an easy come, live in the oh my god. Why is there like a whole bullet going through his head? I mean his chest.
Because I just shot him.
I know, but like why is it
Look
black?
at this guy like floating in the boat.
Oh my gosh. It's like, wait, it's the Titanic.
You're right.
The last person on the Titanic, and you just killed him. You just kicked the boat and then
Can I borrow
bye-bye.
your boat here, buddy?
Yeah, you can borrow my boat.
Or did I sink it? Oh, I sunk it. I put
Yeah.
a hole in it. Oh my gosh, look.
Yeah,
I
you
shot a
sunk
hole
it.
in the boat.
Yeah, it sunk it.
Oops. Sorry. Sorry about your boat.
Sorry, I'm just talking to my mom. How did you, wait, why did you think that there was a lot of water in the boat? Like literally why?
Why?
Yeah,
Well, because I shot it.
yeah, I know.
I'll borrow this boat.
Yeah, you could borrow that boat too. Okay, I'm gonna put it away, guys. Well, I am going to end the video here. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you soon. Bye.